You want to launch an online store in 2026, but you're worried that it may be too technical, too expensive, and how are you even supposed to stand out in a market that's already packed? What if I told you that you can get a sales ready WordPress site off the ground without writing a single line of code? Trust me, I'm Beatrice, and I've been building e commerce stores on WordPress for over 5 years with no coding experience. I'm also going to show you the one powerful feature that 99% of your competitors are missing and sleeping on: live shopping. We have our fresh install, our fresh WordPress site. I have nothing on it, no theme, no plugins, nothing. So let's go to the admin section. And from here, we'll want to go to appearance, themes. And here we will click on add new and we will look up the Hello WP Stream theme. So the Hello WP Stream theme is a free theme by the WP Stream plugin that we've created specifically to go really well with our plugin and the actual live streaming aspect that a lot of e-commerce stores are missing and what your competitors are missing basically. The theme is free. All the 5 demos are free, and one of the demos is the live shopping demo, which we're going to be installing today. So as you can see, in the meantime, I've installed and activated the theme, and now we will begin installing the required plugins. So these are the most important plugins that we need before we can import the demo. So especially WP Stream, WooCommerce, One-Click Demo, and Elementor, and Better Messages for the chat. Now, I've installed those and I'm activating all the plugins as well. So I'm doing that by bulk selecting everything. And here are all my plugins. So all the plugins that I've installed, the most important ones. And now that we've done that, we can go to the appearance section and click on import demo data. And here's where we'll find our 5 free demos. So here's our Hello WP Stream theme. And if we scroll down, you get to pick one of 5 demos. So we have our main Netflix-like demo, our esports demo, 2 church demos, and of course our live shopping demo, which is ideal for e-commerce stores, especially if you're just starting off and you don't have a lot of money to spend, a big budget for your actual website. This is the demo you need. So I've just imported this demo, and if we click on visit site, this is how our demo will look like on the site. So as you can see, everything is set up beautifully, and we have different content creators. We have products that we're selling, so dresses or blouses, trousers, things like that. And of course, we've set up WooCommerce with this. So if you've installed the WooCommerce plugin as well, this is how it will look like. And all you have to do from here is just replace the actual products, the images, content, videos, things like that. So I've also showed you the shop section. So this is where you find different categories like bags, trousers, shirts, things like that. And this is how a product page looks like with WooCommerce. So these are all the images. You also get a description for each product, tags, related products, and things like that. So it's super simple to set up, and just in a couple of minutes, you have your e commerce site. And the feature that I was talking about is the actual live shopping feature. So I'm clicking on edit channel on top, and here we want to turn on our channel. So this is where we can go live and actually sell the product. So it's very important to be there for your viewers, for your shoppers, and talk to them live. Ask them what they want to see, ask them about the type of products that they're looking for. And it's very important to have that connection with your viewers, with your shoppers. So a lot of people, a lot of e-commerce stores are missing this specific aspect of the actual live interaction with their shoppers. We can either go live via our browser or via an external streaming app like OBS Studio, which is what I'm using today. And I'm going to settings, stream, and under service, we'll click on custom, and we will copy paste the server and stream key from here into OBS Studio. So let's go to view channel, and we're currently streaming. And this is how our channel looks like once it starts streaming. So I'm typing in hello, and I can add an emoji as well. And this is how our live stream looks like on our e-commerce website. And again, this is a feature that 99% of e-commerce websites don't have, and you can get it fresh out the box with WP Stream. So let us know down in the comment section what you want to see next, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.